Well, hello my fellow YouTubers. It's raining a little bit right now, but I'm back at the man cave. And I just blew off all these leaves yesterday, but they're back again. Anyway, I was told by the inspector last night that I could take this down, that I'm done with it. So, bye-bye building permit. If I can get it. What's going on here? Might have to just pull this one out. Yeah, there we go. No more building permit. All done, signed off, complete. Anyway, here's a walk up the driveway. Kind of hard to walk with one hand and holding. And anyway, I'll take you inside here and show you what's going on. Well, here's my circuit breaker panel. I had to do some electrical rewiring. If you look at this panel, this is the one that they did for the solar system upgrade. But all of the breakers they put in were not GFCI protected. So I drilled a hole through, put a nipple on the cabinets, and rewired all the electrical that they were supposed to move from here over to here. So now I have all my circuits GFI protected, and I can reset this breaker using my Wi-Fi, so I can reset the air conditioner if it goes offline. Anyway, just something to play with.
Also, I relabeled all these circuit breaker panels and moved some circuits around and got it all cleaned up, put back together. So I'm pretty much done with the electrical on this area. I also changed out the covers in the bathroom, made them all a little nicer looking, and saved the covers I took off to put on the upstairs bathroom. I added a receptacle here so I could remote control the dehumidifier, and then I added this plug outside for my Christmas lights. Anyway, enjoy. See you next time.